Hey Slayers, don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment below. Let's get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey best friend. If not, hey best friend, I missed you. Mwah. So fall is officially here, you guys. I'm super excited. As you can see, try to do a little fall look. I don't know, I'm still learning, as you know, so bear with me until I get it. But I'm super excited to share some updates with you guys, and I have some new skincare products and I want to tell you guys. So first, I'm doing a little bit of a different video here today. I'm gonna start doing shout outs to you guys, my friends, my best friends. So you guys are more than just my subscribers. So, you know, I share everything with you. I vent with you. I talk with you. You guys share with me. So you're more like family, as you guys may know. If you didn't, now you know. So I want to do like more of a shout out. I was inspired by my friend Nay. Hey Nay. Ooh, okay. So Nay is doing shout outs every Wednesday on her live videos on her YouTube channel. I'm gonna put her I'm gonna put her YouTube channel down in the description below. So for my first shout out, hey Nay. I believe her YouTube channel is Natural Normal Nay, and that may be her Instagram. I'm going to double check for you guys, but I'll definitely leave it down below in the description, so check that out. Nay does a lot. She does cooking videos. She does like her haul videos as far as like her shopping. She does couponing. So if you guys are interested in couponing, head on over to Nay's channel, subscribe, and get into it, okay? So now that I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and share with you guys my Hellobody products. It's new for me or whatever. And I'm just super excited about it, y'all. You guys know I love trying out new skincare products. So this one, I believe they are vegan free and cruelty free as well. I'm just double checking here. Okay, yes, they're safe, natural, organic ingredients in their products, and they're not tested on animals. So check. And they're made in Germany. My aunt is actually from Germany, Berlin. So hello to you, Denise. And as far as the first product here, this one is their Cocoa collection. So this one's Cocoa Day. If y'all can see them a little bit. There y'all go. There y'all go, girl. Okay, so this one is their daily face lotion. And it comes in a little pump. I love little pump products instead of just, I don't know. Pumping is better for me. Pump away. Okay. Y'all, I'm super excited. Today has been a good day for me. Today is Tuesday. Halfway through the week. We just got to push on through. You know what I'm saying? So the next product here is Cocoa Soft. This one is the night face lotion. It's also in a pump. Excuse my nails, y'all. I have not gone to the nail shop, so, you know, don't look at them. Don't look at them. But anyway, this one is a bigger bottle, and this one has a pump too, and I love that. This one is Cocoa Fresh. This one is the face cleansing foam. Like, I love foam. I have foam body wash, foam lotion. So this is a definitely must for me. This one is huge. It's huge, okay? So this is what it looks like. And this bottle is 3.4 fluid ounce, just in case you may have wanted to know. I don't know. I just feel like I needed to tell you that. And of course, boop, boop, it's a pump. Super excited. I love the way it goes on. It's not like heavy or sticky. It's very lightweight. So I definitely recommend it if you guys are into like those type of products for skincare. Then here I have Cocoa Calm. This one is the Soothing Face Toner. I'm going to put my other goodies here. So this is what this one looks like. Okay. Get into it, best friend. And then, as you know, I'm trying to pretty much like take away the sun damage as much as I can. I never used to wear sunscreen when I played outside, so that's my fault. And if you have seen other skincare routines by me, I always mention like my problem areas are around my mouth and underneath my eyes. So these skin toners that I use from like Hellobody. I'll use other ones from Urban Skin RX, Clean and Clear. So definitely check out those other videos if you haven't already. And best friend, have you subscribed? Did you give this video a like? Thumbs up? You like thumbs up? Okay. Did you comment yet? Okay. Hey, did you head over to Nay's YouTube channel? Look now, I've been trying to tell you, best friend, because I don't want you to forget. Don't forget, best friend. Like, subscribe, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Nay's channel. Oh, I didn't know. I didn't mean to do that, but you know, whatever. And then, of course, I have been looking. Okay, looking for some lip balm and lip scrub, y'all. So Cocoa Kiss is the lip scrub. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's super cute. It's pink. I'm gonna take it off for y'all so y'all can see. So y'all can see, best friend. Okay, it smells so good. Ooh, look at that. And I love pink. You know, that's my favorite color, whatever. I ain't wearing it today. And I don't have on a headband. Well, I do, but those bow headbands, I'm trying to, you know, get away from those because I'm a little addicted, but that's okay. And then this one is the Cocoa Rich. So you can see. Ooh. Cocoa Rich Lip Balm. Oh my God. Now this, best friend, get into it. Super good, super good. I do have a 30% off reference number that you guys can go to as far as checking out on Hellobody website. It gives you 30% off, so definitely check them out. Give them a little try. You know, you don't have to go spend buku, you know, just a little bit here. And they are inexpensive, so that's pretty good. I like them. To me, I feel like trying out different products until I really get the one that I love. So far, it's Urban Skin RX, but that's neither here nor there. I'm trying to like try more products, so I love to share with you guys everything that I am doing and just keep you guys informed, you know. So y'all are my best friends, and I tell my best friends everything, period, point blank. And I wanted to share with you guys all of the products that I got and then the updates. So tune in to my next video coming soon, best friend. Check it out. Don't forget to hit that bell so you guys can know when I'm using YouTube. Not when I'm using, but when I am posting a video for you guys. And I just thank you guys so much for watching. I'm super excited, you guys. I'm just getting more comfortable with this YouTube video and YouTube channel thing. So if you want to see more of moi, I'm always going to be on Instagram. You guys can check out my Instagram at Shae's Beauty. It's SHAESB as in boy, EAUTE. Okay. So that was everything, you guys. I thank you for tuning in. I love you guys. I hope the rest of your week goes well. If you guys have a rough week, reach out to me. We can talk about it. You know, if you need to vent, I'm here. Where's I'm gonna be? You know, working from home, doing this quarantine. So definitely check out my videos and follow me on Instagram. I'm always there. Don't forget, best friend, to subscribe to Nay's channel, okay? I love you. Mwah.